Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Yesterday was Thursday, May 22nd. My attention was drawn to the report released by the Nigerian Police Force about the attack that is about to happen in a church in Kogi State. But I have a conflicting report. That is why I want everybody to pay attention, because this video could save life. Now, the Nigerian Police Force is alerting the Christian Association of Nigeria that there are some criminal elements that are about to attack churches. And the information I got it on Tuesday, and I'm going to tell you the difference between the report I got and this one that the police are releasing. Yagba West and Yagba East are in Kogi State. And the Nigerian police are focusing that this Yagba West and Yagba East, and that is the place the terrorist attack will happen in the church. I want people from this area to be alert. They should not despise police report. However, the information I got on Tuesday is in Ekiti State. And when you look at Yagba West and Yagba East, they are in boundary with Ekiti State. Do you remember at the time there was a massacre in Sowore in the church? Tens of persons were massacred. The same thing has been planned, that it will be repeated in Ekiti State. Yes, the people who are planning this thing are not just mere criminals. They are people who have been in town since. And these people want to carry out this attack just because they want to please their leader. That their pattern of killing is just, based on religion, so that they will please their leader. I'm telling you this is information I got. So, Yagba West is in Kogi State, and police is reporting that people should pay attention to the churches to protect them, because there is an impending attack that will hit the church in Kogi State. But I am telling you, people in Kogi State, pay alert. Just work with what police is telling you. However, Kogi State is not the target. The target is Ekiti State. So, every community that is close, or that are close to Yagba West, Yagba East in Kogi State, pay utmost attention. Don't say that they did not tell you. Sunday is very far. If such information comes like this so many times, it does not stop all this criminal element. I could remember in Plateau State, I made a report that, look at, there is a criminal gangs who are planning to attack a church. I made that report. If these people know what they are doing, these criminals, if they even have sense, as people have reported that, oh, there will be an attack on this church, they will not go to that church again, right? But the guy still went and he was caught. And that was the report you got, that there was a person carrying gun close to church. That was last Sunday here, if I'm not mistaken. So, reporting about what is about to happen, it doesn't stop them not to go. It doesn't stop them not to attack. So, the people that will attack, they might still, this one that is in the news, people will think it will not happen. They will still go and attack. So, Ekiti State people, be at that. The target is you, not Kogi State. But Kogi State has been under siege. We know about that. There has been a lot of terrorist attack in Kogi State. And police report should not be despised. That is what I'm saying. So once police say, it is Yagba West around Kogi State, people there should, in fact, the whole Nigeria should be security conscious, especially the churches. They should have people who will bear arms, carry guns to come to church to protect you. Don't play foolish. Don't play dumb that you are coming to church. God has given you everything you want. If you like, protect yourself. Continue to call God to do for you what he has given you power to do. You will die for nothing. Nobody will help you. So the best thing you people should do, I think, Kanu should be able to even have armed group. Yes, armed group. If they will convert the nights, or in Pentecostal churches, they should have some members who should be able to, they train them, they carry arms to protect their churches. But how long can Christians continue to face this type of challenges in this country? How long? But how long? Let's just ask this question. The Christian persecution in Nigeria is real. Don't let anyone to deceive you. That you just want to please your God so that they will continue to send you funds. That is why you want to attack church. I am telling you the purpose of this attack. So, all these informations, I will still term it as alleged information. Okay? That allegedly someone told me this. But in reality, always follow I know nobody is perfect anyway, but always follow the information I bring in this platform. You look at it. If I bring the information, 2 weeks it will happen. And this one I'm saying, police said it's in Kogi State, but Ekiti State. All those communities, town close to Yagba West, Yagba East in Kogi State, all those Ekiti, neighborhood. Just be alert, because as at the time of filing this report, they're already at your doorstep. So be very ready to set up a counter attack. Now, let me read the police report about this. It says, breaking Nigerian police allows churches in Kogi State to impending criminal attacks. The Nigerian Police Force has alerted the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) in Yagba East local government area of Kogi State, warning churches in the area over an impending attack by criminal elements. According to a police signal by CSP Kanu James, the divisional police officer Isano, and obtained by Sowore reporters on Thursday, credible intelligence suggests that the attack could happen at any moment. And the information they sent me, they said the attack will happen on Sunday. So the police is right, very, very right to say at any moment. The police signal reads, credible intelligence report from concerned citizen at the disposal of the Nigerian police revealed that criminal elements operating within Yagba East and West local government area of Kogi State have concluded plans to launch a deadly attack on churches in Yagba East local government area any moment from now. And I want to repeat this. Do not concentrate alone. Concentrate on this Yagba East, but not alone. Yagba East, Yagba West, these were their launching ground. This was the place they moved to Ekiti. So all those villages, towns close to this Yagba East, Yagba West in Ekiti State, that is the main target. They are coming to burn churches. They are coming to kill people in the churches while you are praying to your God. Do not play ignorance on this. Arm yourself. Protect yourself. If you want to call even police to help you to guide the church, anybody, call vigilante. Vigilante are more reliable than police and the military. Call your vigilante group to come and help you secure your church. Because these people, I think if police, DSS, if they know what they are doing, they are busy, doing the case of Nnamdi Kanu. The whole Nigeria is under siege. If they know what they are doing. Now, these people, their moves is not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are moving in numbers. These people are moving in 20, 15, 30 in machine convoy. So they will be easy to trace if our security agencies are not colluding or they know what they are doing. These people will be easy to be flushed out, and that is the reason why we always talk about the separation of things, so that people will have the ability to build up their own security. Just imagine if Yoruba land has Oduduwa Republic. These people cannot just invade their country like that and score free. They will flush them out. But if you see them now entering your place, maybe they carry shoot and run. You don't know that AK-47 is already waiting for them in the bush. They will tell you that these people are hunters. Yeah, they will tell you that these people are hunters. This is what we are facing, and we can't continue like this. Nigeria is not sustainable. Now, in view of the threat, the police are urging churches to be vigilant and security conscious. You are hereby intimated to intensify efforts in disseminating the information to churches in Yagba East to be vigilant and security conscious in order to avert their nefarious activities, the signal stated. The police said it also advised churches to plant internal security personnel, such as boys' brigade, within their premises during services to prevent any sudden attack. That is what I explained before, that the Christian Association of Nigeria should be able to set up, groups like this to make sure that let them be armed, like vigilante group, to avert all these things, because these people are ready. They are ready with sophisticated weapons. Their guy is waiting for news. Their guy is waiting to hear that these people have attacked. But I think it could be stopped. These people are very easy to stop if the security operatives are doing their job. Additionally, All-night programs and activities have been advised to be suspended and limited for the time being. All night, all those night activities, suspend it for the now if you are from this area. The Nigerian police said in collaboration with other security agencies including DSS, NSCDC, Vigilante, and Hunters, it is working to provide mobility to intensify patrol during Sunday services. All right, the article continue, but you understand the information I already passed in this video. So tell someone to tell another one. If you are from Yagba West, Yagba East in Kogi State, if you are from Ekiti State, bordering towns, bordering community with this Yagba West, Yagba East, this information is credible. Okay, believe the Nigerian police force, work with the intelligence this time around because I got it. But don't limit it to Kogi State. So people in Ekiti State should be at alert. And this is what we are saying. In the voice of Nnamdi Kanu, he said, defend yourself, defend your land. These people don't have mercy. They will come and wipe you out. And these are the reasons why he's facing, charges today. But I believe that he will be released. He will be released because I don't see anything Nnamdi Kanu said like that other security operatives did not say. I thank God for the videos that the defense team, brought to the court that has been admitted that someone like Tiwa Danjuma, someone like DSS chief, and so many of them cannot come out to say something and you cherry pick what Nnamdi Kanu said to fight against him. What happened to your guy as a DSS man? So we are looking forward to seeing what is going to happen. And the rate of collusion between the armed forces and the bandits is much. Up till now, I did not hear again about the DSS who were supporting Fulani terrorists that were bundled to Abuja from Osun State it's about a month ago now. I'm not hearing any news again. Nigeria, people in Nigeria need to know what is going on. They need to know what is happening. If you arrest someone who is colluding, always update them. People will leave what you're supposed to do and be chasing what you are not supposed to do. Anyway, it is what it is. The information has been passed. Thank you for listening.